Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram triangulator problem on the applications itself. Well, how do you actually fix this problem if you come in contact with this problem and then you want to fix your Instagram? And just saying that you have the triangulator to proceed with the usage of Instagram because it is experiencing some problems. Well, what you could actually do is to double check a bunch of stuff. Number one is to double check if you have a stable internet connection. So go ahead onto your control centers and try to view if you are connected onto a Wi-Fi connection. And if you are, maybe that specific Wi-Fi connection is not really that stable, which is giving you some issues on Instagram. What you can actually do in order to solve that problem is to try out your cellular data if you have that feature available to you. So basically, if you go ahead and proceed with enabling your cellular data, you may actually try and have some luck with using that instead of your Wi-Fi. So just try these two and see which ones works best for you. And basically, by doing so, you're gonna have the option to finally fix the problem on Instagram. And the next step is, of course, if you still are coming in encounter with that specific problem, what you could actually do is proceed with just ending the application from running from the background and then relaunching it again. Now that should solve your problem, but if the problem is still persisting, you can try one more thing, which is to reinstall the program. So go ahead and long press onto the applications, and then of course what we need to do is to just delete that application from our devices. And then of course once that is done, you may proceed with the reinstalling the application from your Play stores or your Apple App stores, and then have a fresh new install of Instagram without any problems anymore. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.